And we start in 3, 2, 1. येलो. दोनों हाथ खाली है भाई के. भाई का हाथ एकदम खाली है. तू समझ रहा है क्या? Can you hear me? Can you listen to me now? What's up? What's up? Hey. कैसा आ रहा है ब्रो आवाज? Like be honest with me. Was the previous mic like better? Tell me. Like honestly tell me if it was better. Huh? Like don't. I know y'all try to be nice to me and like always say nice shit like Karan, I liked your jokes and all. But y'all can be honest with me. Bro. ऐसा झूठ पे दुनिया कोई कायम नहीं है ब्रो. तो सच पे दुनिया कायम है. समझ रहा है तू? Point वो है. But yeah, man. Uh, I appreciate the fact that you're always nice to me, man. It makes me feel very loved. I feel very, very nice. But I've been थोड़ा सोच रहा था bro मैं. I've been thinking about this that like okay, I had a conversation with my friend, all right. He's a very cool guy. He's an older guy, smart, and I respect him, right? And I respect his take on things. And I was telling him, one of the issues is that I don't think people respect me. Like I think I don't think like people really respect who I am as a human being. And he was like, bro, you should learn to say no more often. I was like, okay, what does that mean? He's like, when someone asks you to do something, if you don't want to do it, say no. So I stopped paying fucking money to everybody, bro. सबको पैसा भरना बंद कर दिया मैंने. मस्ती नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. Now anyone who comes up to me and says, Karan, you owe me $100. No. No? What do you mean no? Karan, you literally took it from me yesterday. No? No? भाजी वाला आया था वो दिन. बोला सर 430 रुपया बिल है, आप दोगे? लाइक नहीं. लाइक तो कौन देगा? लाइक कोई नहीं. लाइक सर तो भाजी. लाइक नहीं, भाजी नहीं चाहिए. इज लाइक आपने मंगाया था ना? लाइक नहीं. कुछ भी हो जाए. एनीबॉडी सेज एनीथिंग. Karan, are you a human being? No. So what are you? No. You're a no. No. ऐसा है. Now at this point I owe 17 different establishments 11,000 rupees. मेडिकल स्टोर वाला भी. मैं उसको बोला सर इमरजेंसी है, दवाई भिजवा दो. कुछ था नहीं इमरजेंसी. दवाई भिजवाया, पैसा मांगा, बोला नहीं. नहीं. नहीं देगा. मैं क्या करें? But on that note, hello and welcome. Beautiful, beautiful legend. It's been a while, I know. It's been like a week. तुम लोग के बगैर सोना सोना लगने लगा यार ब्रो. तुम लोग मतलब I don't know how to explain this. Like I'm not even trying to be that cheesy person who says like cheesy shit. Like okay, I am cheesy as F. Since there are kids listening to this, I'll like use the word fudge. Okay, kids don't abuse, alright? A funny story. One of my cousins asked me, Karan bhai, do you abuse? He's like fucking 10, like or 9. Okay, he asked me, Karan bhai, do you abuse? I was like, what? He's like, do you abuse? My brain is so twisted, and I think life is going so not normal that I thought he meant, do you abuse like substances or drugs or like nicotine or alcohol or some shit like that. I was like, how does he know? Like, why is he asking me this randomly? I was like, what do you mean? So he told me, do you abuse? Like, do you use the F word and all? I was like, oh, do I abuse? Do I curse? Like, he meant, do I curse? And I'm pretty sure I've told this story to my friends, and all of them were like, "Yeah, dude, that's what we thought as well. Like, we thought that he's asking if you curse." I was like, "Wow, man, maybe I have some issues, man." Mera thoda. Look, okay, I don't drink that much. Like, I don't. Okay, I don't abuse substances. Like, I don't smoke pot. I don't do drugs. I don't even fucking smoke and shit, bro. Like, I just drink. Drinking. Drinking. ब्रो यार ये साला विंडो बन के है तो भी हॉर्न का आवाज आ रहा है. बदतमीज लोग ब्रो. सुबह संडे ब्रो. दिस इज संडे. इट्स आफ्टरनून. आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग. ओके, बाय द वे, for a while I think I'll be recording in the afternoon, so if you're like the night setting, the mellow vibe, I'm so sorry because my TV room is going under a full renovation. That's going to become my room. Right now my brother and I share a room, but since we are now old enough, both of us decided that fuck no, we can't stay in the same room, so I used to sleep in the TV room. That's why like मैं कभी भी 3 बजे भी record कर सकता था. But now it's gone in, like it's like completely broken, and we're remodeling it and everything. And this bastard sleeps in my room. I call it my room. It's our room because this is equally his room. His cupboard is that, mine is this, and yeah. But I need that fucking room, man. Like I'm all right with not having a TV. I don't care, man. I don't need a TV in my room. I don't watch TV. I just like, dude, my life moves so fast. I watch like Netflix on my phone. Like I could be, dude, मैं नहाते नहाते फुटबॉल मैच चल रहा रहता है, अगर मेरे को नहाने जाना है, why I I have no patience in life. Like, and this is not a joke. I'm not joking. I have zero patience. Like there were times when um in my corridor, college corridors, my class was from one end to another end. Suppose I had to go, I used to jog and go, or like brisk walk, because I just hate the time waste. I waste time like all the time, but it should be based on my decision. I know it sounds twisted right now, but if you are wasting time, you should be able to waste time as per your like you should have authority over what you waste your time on. Like nobody else should have the right to come and say like, hey Karan, like sit here for 10 minutes. No bitch. I will sit here because I want to sit here. It's like that, like, oh, मैं तेरे को पैसा दूंगा नहीं, मैंने मांगा ही नहीं. Then that cycle, that serpent cycle, that snakes that's eating its own tail. It's like that. Like someone says, bro, I'm not gonna call you for my party, and the person says, I don't wanna come for your party, but he's like, तेरे को आना भी होगा तो मैं नहीं बुलाऊंगा, and the other person says, पर मेरे को आना ही नहीं है तो तू बुलाएगा, उससे फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. I think the person who is saying I didn't even want to come in the first place to your party, that person's a winner. Because think about this. Um, your invitation, okay, you have the free will to invite or not invite somebody, right? Cool, understandable. Then there is a free will to want to or not want to go, okay? But you wanting or not wanting to go, you wanting to go, suppose you want to go, right? I know this sounds, just bear with me. If you want to go for my party, right? And I say, but I'm not calling you, then I am the winner because I didn't want to call you, hence you cannot come, right? But you wanted to come. Then comes that I, okay, then comes that you didn't want to go only in the first place, so my party was irrelevant. Meaning my existence in general is irrelevant to your um, desire. No, wait. Yeah, it's irrelevant to what you want. Like, I could not want to call you for my party, but you didn't care in the first place, right? Like, you didn't bother about me in the first place, so why would you want to come to my party? And if you don't want to come to my party, you're the real winner, like in that argument at least. Sorry, man. I don't fucking know, man. It's 11:30 on a fucking Sunday, man. Like, don't ask me on why I'm doing all this. Ah, man, I need to get pumped up, man. I need to start waking up early. I know this, man. And I keep prolonging the process of trying to wake up early. It's a vicious cycle, man. I don't know, man. That's why, like, I try to like listen to some motivational stuff to like. But the problem is listening to motivational stuff at night. Okay, most motivational speakers say wake up at 5 a.m., right? Do the 5 a.m. grind and like work out at 5 a.m. and this and that. अपन कर भी लेंगे, पर ये वीडियो मैं रात को देखता हूँ, एंड इफ आई वॉच इट एट 12, आई बिकम हाई ऑक्टेन, राइट? मैं चार्ज हो गया है, मतलब अभी फुल पावर मोड में ऑन है, तो कुछ अभी करना है, तो आई एंड अप स्टेइंग अप टिल 3, और 5 a.m. ग्राइंड तो तबेला होने वाला है मेरा, बिकॉज देर इज नो चांस स्लीपिंग एट 3 एंड वेकिंग अप एट 5. यू कांट सस्टेन योर लाइफ लाइक दैट. सो आई थिंक सुबह उठ के मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देखना चाहिए, ताकि पूरा दिन क्रेजी है, समझ रहे? एकदम बौखला जाने वाला, ऐसा वाला इतना पागल हो जाएगा, सिग्नल पे खड़े रह के हिलाने लगेगा तो ऐसा, मतलब स्पीच, ऐसा स्पीच होना चाहिए कि आदमी मतलब जिंदा मुर्गा काट के खा जाए, मतलब ऐसा जिंदा मुर्गा खा जाए, मतलब इतना क्रेजी स्पीच होना चाहिए. क्रेजी भी नहीं, क्रेजी. क्रेजी विद अ जे. if you're dude, there's a big difference between a crazy with a Z and a crazy with a J. If you're crazy with a J, you are the person who will bite the head of an ant and fucking claim victory. Like you're like that guy. You get what I mean? But again, man, motivation speakers. Again, I know I ranted about this last time, but it's kind of getting to me, man. It's like I watched this motivation speaker. I don't want to name him. I mean, he's a very famous person, but still, I don't want to be that guy who's like, um, you know, cracking jokes based on somebody else. Like, I can crack a generalized joke, but when I target someone specifically, that's not fair, right? So, yeah, I was like this guy, one old dude, motivational speaker, and he goes like, don't fuck you, don't waste my time. If you're not making me money, don't even stand 5 feet close to me. I was like, wow, that's one way to socially distance. But he kept saying like, if you don't make money, get the fuck out of here and this and that. You're a loser and like trying to fire you up in that way. And I was like, dude, this guy must be fucking next level, right? Like, and I checked his profile, and all he is a motivational speaker. Meaning, okay, and I checked his history, Wikipedia, and all of that. He's always been a motivational speaker. So, तू समझ के okay, I will listen to Dwayne Johnson, I listen to LeBron James, Joe Rogan, all these lit people, right? Because they do something with their life and hustle in that life, right? They do that hustle culture. They actually did it in something, and now there's something, right? They're at a particular level. So when they say something, it's credible. But it's like if I started giving you motivational speeches, you know me, right? So you'll be like, Karan, तू तो यार भाजी वाले से झगड़ा करता है. करण, मैंने तेरे को सैटरडे नाइट तू बाहर गया था, तेरे को क्लब से लात मार के निकाला क्योंकि तूने बहुत दारू पिया. तू कहाँ का मोटिवेशन स्पीच दे. सो लाइक you need to have something to be motivated about. It's like if he's motivated in life, right? That's why like he's like charged up, driven, and all of that stuff in life. How can you be driven about being driven? Like again, it's a serpent thing, bro. It's like a fucking circle that I can't understand. It's like you're saying I'm charged up about being charged up. I'm charged about telling people to be charged up. I think it's a scam. Like fucking it, dude. Okay, I think some people say things and they end up being motivational. But if you go out of your way to give a motivational speech, I kind of don't trust you. Like, मेरा बेल बजा क्या घर का? क्या mic है bro? बेंचूत, like the door is all the way outside. It's like that. क्या ऐसा powerful mic है bro? तू सांस ले रहा है, मेरे को सुनाई दे रहा है. नींद से जाग गया मैं. But on that note, I know it's been a stupid rant, but I gotta go because my maid will start coming and cleaning the entire place up, and it's gonna be a problem. So on that note, I will see you very very soon because I will figure out a fucking way. I will figure out a fucking way to make this happen. You and I.